Deep potholes, sharp debris, and bad roads can cause instant, costly damage to your car's expensive tires and rims.
Tyre Protector covers major damages like unexpected tire bursts, sidewall cuts, bulges, and pothole impact damage.
It also covers bent, cracked, or damaged alloy rims caused by accidental road impacts. You don't just get coverage for new replacement parts.
Labor and fitment charges are completely covered too. Keep in mind, total replacements and claim caps per policy period depend on your specific insurer's terms. Remember, routine wear and tear, minor punctures, wheel alignment, racing damage, and standalone tire theft are excluded.
Protect your wheels against unpredictable road hazards. Add tire and rim cover today for absolute peace of mind.
Thank you for watching KYiC Know Your Insurance Claims. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our tips.